Hi, I'm Don from InSinkErator. Today I'd like to show you how to replace a single outlet SinkTop switch system with a dual outlet system. You will need the following tools: a screwdriver and 2 number 8 wood screws. First, uninstall the outlet. Unplug the disposer from the single outlet. Pull out the tubing from both the power module and the air transmitter above. Remove the single outlet from the power receptacle and throw it away or recycle if appropriate. Remove the plastic nut. Remove the decorative button, transmitter and gasket, and if used, the washer. If you want to use your old decorative trim ring and push button, you can easily pop off the trim ring and pull out the button and replace it into the new transmitter body. Mount the push button body directly through the standard sink hole. Tighten the plastic nut under the sink counter to ensure a watertight seal. Mount the power module on your cabinet wall within 3 feet of the outlet and your disposer. Use 2 number 8 wood screws you purchased separately to secure the module. Attach the air tubing between the push button and the power module, pushing the tubing tightly onto the molded protrusions. Plug the power module cord into the dedicated outlet that is continuously energized. Press the push button to ensure that the SinkTop switch runs the disposer on and off. Be sure the system is operating properly before using.